going to be looking at day one. Yes, of our day 1 of our food water challenge. That's what we are going to be looking at today, and we are starting off with olive oil plus water, or water plus olive oil. Just one teaspoon of olive oil. That's all you need for day 1. And you will ask, how, why should I put oil in my water? And this is why: because olive oil is a health fat, and what health fats do is that they satiate you so that you don't feel hungry. So for that reason, actually, olive oil is good for you. You can use even coconut oil, but just make sure that the water is warm. We know fat and water, they don't mix well, but just make sure the water is warm, and then add your olive oil into your water. And it also supports actually digestion, health digestion. So you may need to add your oil, but please do not add any other oil. The preferred or the recommended ones are olive oil or coconut oil. So that will help you even with constipation. It will help you even with energy, and also for your gut. I know it's not something that you would do any other time, but listen, we are here for maximum health benefits in the next 30 days. So it's only a glass of water. So it's not like all your 2 liters will be with olive oil. It's only a glass. So go ahead and do that, and continue. Remember, continue to drink your 1 gallon, 2 liters, 3 liters, whatever it is that you drink. We are hydrating, and we are adding these superfoods just to boost, remember, our metabolism, to curb our cravings for fat burning effects, and etc. etc. So grab your glass and let's add that olive oil into it, and we move on tomorrow for day 2. Thank you so much. Share this video if you would want somebody else to join with you. We are better in a community. Thank you, and God bless you.